Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact Intel wireless Bluetooth hardware and driver version so you target fixes correctly. Open Device Manager now and capture the error code shown. Make sure Windows and BIOS are up to date and that any laptop Bluetooth hardware switch is enabled. Once done, export the device properties or take a screenshot so you don't lose details. This helps if you need to roll back or search for the precise driver package. You'll remove the existing driver cleanly to eliminate corrupt remnants. In Device Manager, choose Uninstall and tick Delete Driver Software, then reboot into Safe Mode. Once in Safe Mode, run a driver cleaning utility or manually remove leftover Intel Bluetooth driver files and registry entries to prevent conflicts. After a normal reboot, install the freshly downloaded Intel driver or the Microsoft signed package. Make sure to install chipset or WLAN driver dependencies first, because Bluetooth often relies on those services. After installation, verify the Bluetooth support service and related services are running, then pair a known good device to confirm functionality. You should see successful connection and usable profiles. If problems persist, roll back the driver or use a system restore point created before changes. Sometimes reinstalling WLAN drivers resolves stack-level issues. Finally, if you suspect hardware failure, test with a cheap USB Bluetooth dongle. This isolates whether the onboard Intel adapter is defective and saves hours.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.